If you're looking to obtain an FBI background check, these are a few steps you'll need to follow. And remember, on our website, you will find a link to the forms. I'm here to guide you through the process. Firstly, get your fingerprints taken. You can do this at your local law enforcement agency or a private fingerprinting agency. Make sure they use the standard FBI fingerprint form, FD 258. Second step, download the FBI background check application form. You can download the FD 258 form from their website or get it from the agency that requires the check. You can also find it on our website by clicking the link below in the description of this video. Submit your application and fingerprints to the FBI. You can do this either by mail or through an FBI-approved channeler. These are private companies authorized by the FBI to process fingerprint submissions and provide electronic copies of the results to the applicant. You can do this either by mail or through an FBI-approved channeler. These are private companies authorized by the FBI to process fingerprint submissions and provide electronic copies of the results to the applicant. The FBI charges a fee for the background check, which varies depending on the method of submission and processing time you choose. So the fourth step is pay the fee. The FBI will send the results to the address you provided on the application, so wait for the results. If you use an FBI-approved channeler, they will provide you with the results electronically. And that's it. Now you know how to get an FBI background check. Remember to check with the agency or organization requesting the check for specific instructions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more cool videos like this. This was Legal at Work.